Is your Windows 11 PC feeling sluggish? Let's fix that. Here are 5 quick optimizations to reclaim your speed and performance. First, hit the Start menu and open Settings. Head to Gaming on the left. Select Game Bar and toggle it off. Next, click Game Mode. If you're a gamer, turn it on to prioritize your frames. If not, leave it off. Now, go to System. Tap on Storage. Flip the switch on Storage Sense to let Windows automatically clear out junk. Click Cleanup Recommendations, select the items you don't need. Just double-check the Downloads folder before hitting Clean Up, and hit Continue. Let's stop apps from dragging down your boot time. Go to Apps. Then, go to Installed Apps. Sort the list by size, large to small. Find the heavy hitters you no longer use, hit the 3 dots, and select Uninstall. Time for a deeper clean. Search the Start menu for Disk Cleanup. Select your drive, click OK, then click Clean Up System Files. Check every box in the list. This clears out old update logs and temporary files that Storage Sense might miss. Hit OK and delete files. Finally, let's lighten the load on your graphics card. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Choose Custom. Uncheck everything except Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps Windows looking clean without the laggy animations. Apply those changes, give your computer a quick restart, and you'll notice the difference immediately.